Located on southern Thailand's east coast, Krabi province is an area of outstanding natural beauty. Classic virgin beaches fringed with towering limestone formations is an understatement to describe this stunningly beautiful area of Thailand. The Krabi coastline is dotted with rarely visited tropical islands, palm-fringed beaches, waterfalls, caves, and strange rock formations. Relatively new to tourism, the area is being carefully developed with no real high-rise hotels and a wide range of places to stay, from small bungalows to the 5-star prestigious, but relaxing Sheraton Rayavadee Resort. Most accommodation is located around the beach areas of Ao Nang, Rai and Phra, with some small local hotels in the provincial capital, Krabi town. Krabi is a great place to relax. Much of the province has been designated national park. The Noppharat Thara-Ko Phi Phi National Park incorporates many of the mainland beaches, over 80 smaller islands, and the Phi Phi Islands, made famous as the idyllic location for the Hollywood film The Beach and popular with yachtsmen, scuba divers, snorkellers, and day trippers from Phuket.